The good evening to one and all present here. Dr.k.Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are discussing about Linux cell variables, the guide to effective the scripting. The introduction to cell variable. The cell variables are essential for scripting in Linux. They allow you store the data, the manipulate it and control the flow of your scripts. In this guide, we will explore the various type of cell, the variables, the usage and best practices for effective scripting. Let us dive into the world of Linux cell scripting. Next, we are discuss about what are the cell variable. The cell variables are named the location in memory, the store data for use in scripts. They can store the string, numbers and even command outputs. The understanding the how to define and use these variables is crucial for writing the efficient and effective scripts in Linux. The types of cell variables. In Linux, there are several types of cell variables. The following are local variable, the environment variables and special variable. Each type serves the different purpose and has its own scope. So knowing the difference help in managing data effectively within your scripts. Next one is defining variable. To define a cell variable, simply use the syntax, the variable name equal to value. For example, name equal to zone. Remember, there should be no space around the equal to sign. This is the foundation for creating dynamic script that can perform various tasks. Next one is accessing variable. The accessing the value of cell variable is done by prefixing the variable name with the dollar sign. For example, to access the name, you use the dollar name. This is allow you to retrieve and use the store data throughout your script effectively. Next one is exporting variables. To make variables available to subcells or other scripts, you need to export it. Use the command export the variable name. This is essential when you need the pass data between different script environment or process. The using the special variables. The special variables in Linux such as the dollar symbol and the hash symbol and they provide the useful information about the script, the execution. For instance of the dollar symbol returns the status of last command is executed, which is vital for error handling in your script. The best practices for variables. When working with cell variables, to follow these best practices, use meaningful names, avoid spaces and quote the variable expenses to prevent the issues with spaces in data. These techniques will help you write more the maintainable and error-free scripts. The next one is debugging variable issues. The debugging is an important aspect of scripting. The use of setx command, the enabling a debugging mode which will print each command before execution. This helps in identifying the issues that related to variable usage and logic error in your scripts. The common variable mistakes. The common includes the forgetting to export variable, the using the spaces the around equal to and not quoting variable expenses. The identifying this pitfalls early will save the time and frustration. The frustration of while scripting leading to a more reliable and effective code. The real world example. Let's look at some real example how cell variable used in script from the simple automation task to complex data processing. Understanding this concept will enhance your scripting capabilities and efficiency in environments. The resource further learning to deepen of your understanding of cell variables and scripting. They explore the resources like online tutorials and documentation and community forums, and engaging with the Linux community can provide a valuable insight and enhance your skills. The conclusion. The mastering cell variable is crucial for effective Linux scripting. By understanding their types, the usage and best practices, you can create powerful scripts that enhance the automation and efficiency. Keep the experimenting and learning to become a proficient scripter. Thank you.